This is the Yamaha linear conveyor module, model LCM100. LCM was developed to replace conventional belts or roller conveyors for product transport in a factory. LCM consists of three components: the linear motor, slider, and controller. The controller operates various functions like transportation speed and stop position. This enables operation with high speed and precision. The stroke length of one module is 640 millimeters. You can build your own assembly line by adding these modules. Any of these modules can be replaced, added, or reduced. This feature will provide flexibility when changing the line layout. Using the return unit module, a line can be looped horizontally or vertically. Let's look at features and application examples. The LCM is driven by moving magnet-type linear motors for high speed and precision control. The cable track has been eliminated for better serviceability. The LCM is direct driven by a servo control system. Each slider is servo controlled for smooth acceleration and deceleration. There is no need for external position sensors. This feature also eliminates any mechanical stoppers from the assembly line that may cause dislocation and damage of parts in high-speed transportation. Direction, distance, and stop position of each slide can be programmed independently. Unlike conventional conveyor systems, LCM is bidirectional and eliminates duplicated processes by sharing common processes. This feature will reduce the size of the physical line layout and its total cost. For a better cycle time, multiple parts can be placed on one slider to utilize both fine pitch and long travel movement. Conventional conveyor systems are not designed for assembly. For assembly work, conventional conveyor systems require external support guides or relocation of parts from a conveyor. LCM100 maintains high rigidity by supporting itself with a retainer guide. This will allow assembly work directly on the LCM so that cycle time can be reduced. Flexibility in assembly line design, easy layout change, reduced cycle time, compact line layout, expand as you go option, high precision, fast speed, programmable movement control. are some of the features and benefits that Yamaha LCM100 can offer.